दो बच्चे हैं, एक 10 साल का है और एक 5 साल का। मेरे दोनों बच्चे भी सुनते नहीं हैं, बोलते नहीं हैं।
उसको टॉयलेट का प्रॉब्लम था, वो ब्लॉक हो गया था पूरा।
ऐसा मालूम नहीं था हम लोग को कि इसके दिल में छेद है।
More than 2 lakh children are born with congenital heart disease every year in India, and only 30,000 of them are operated. So you can imagine 1,70,000 or so are not getting operated and they are dying, either because of lack of awareness, education or lack of funds.
2-2.5 लाख खर्चा होएगा, तो उतना मेरे पास ताकत नहीं था।
And imagine the plight of a parent who is going through a stress of whether the child is going to live or not, and about that we say that you need to pay this much only, then we give the treatment. So again his thought process would be either shift the child to a public healthcare which is free, or let this child die so that I can have another child which is more economical.
हम लोग तो नहीं लगा सकते इतना पैसा, 2-3 लाख रुपए कहाँ लगाएगा, उसका जान भी नहीं बचता।
Why have I actually done pediatrics? Is it because if the parent has money I will treat, and if they don't have I will not treat? So that was the seed to start something like Ekam and see that no child is denied of treatment because of financial constraints.
I thought they would be an ideal partner to partner with me to help the children from the camps who need to have either surgeries, investigation, procedures, things which cannot be done back in the towns that they come from. So we transport them to Mumbai, we admit them at the Wadia hospital, and then Ekam takes over the financial aspect of that.
पहली बार पता चला तो बहुत दुख हुआ, क्योंकि बड़ा भी ऐसा हो गया, अभी छोटा भी हो गया, दोनों के लिए भी बहुत रोया।
And also with time investigating people like you just saw who have degenerative disorders, where its diagnosis is so important, not just to help the family but to prevent another child coming out with the same problem.
It is quite different when the slum comes to you with problems, and you should be able to represent them, not only treat them, to scan the cases and send them to such places that would give them optimum treatment at practically no cost, low cost, or at a very reasonable rate.
मैं दोस्तों के साथ पिकनिक को जा रहा था ट्रेन से, तब धक्का लगा मेरे को, तब मैं ट्रेन से नीचे गिर गया। जे हॉस्पिटल लेके गए, उधर एक हफ्ता रखा, बोलते मर जाएगा, पैर कट कर देंगे।
और डॉक्टर ने बताया था कि उसके इधर मार लगा था। हमने तो ऐसा सोच लिया था कि अभी लड़का नहीं रहेगा, अभी लड़का तो चला जाएगा। बहुत बुरी हाल थी मेरे बेटे की।
We need to work with the government hospitals, supporting them with the life-saving drugs, equipments, manpower, or lab investigations in the right time, and let no child die because of lack of these.
Under our training program, we provide refresher, advanced neonatal care to nurses and doctors. Initially, we started off by training nurses, but it became so popular that now we have junior doctors who enroll to run the program. To date, this 18-month program has reached to over 850 doctors and nurses.
In doing nurses training and not stopping only by funding surgeries and medicines, Ekam is serving India by building healthcare infrastructure, because of which thousands and thousands of children will benefit.
As parents and a father of 2 children, we realize what are the issues that a typical family would face if the child was leading a suboptimal life because of a life-threatening sickness. And this was the main inspiration behind getting behind Ekam.
Very often the unstated concerns of donors is that if they do contribute to a cause, is that money going to be appropriately used? And certainly in my dealing with Ekam, I'm highly confident that all the money which they're raising is really going almost entirely into the cause for which it's being raised and being used for the underprivileged. And that's a source of great comfort and confidence to me.
I interacted with the team members, found they're absolutely genuine. I have got associated with that.
We are covering in one academic year over 1,000 BMC schools with over 100,000 children. And we are taking them a message of hand washing, toilet etiquette, dental and nutrition.
On the basis of what we have seen in the last 2 years with Ekam, I believe that is an institution which will go that extra mile.
अभी बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, इन लोग सुन रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं, माँ बोलते हैं तो बहुत ही खुशी महसूस होती है।
एकम संस्था ने हमारा लड़का तो बचा के हमको दे दिया। एकम फाउंडेशन वाले ने मेरा लड़के को नवा जिंदगी दी।
मेरे घर वालों में ताकत आ गई, खुशी आ गई।
Why are we able to only help only 30 to 40,000 in spite of organizations like Ekam, and how much of support these non-governmental organizations like Ekam need from people who are philanthropists or from the government to actually treat the rest of 170,000 children who are dying.
With your help, we can get bigger. We can reach to more children. And I invite you to partner with us on this platform of Gift a Life, Gift a Smile.